Wouldn't it be great if you could consistently make a pot or a cup of coffee to your taste profile? Or duplicate a recipe from one of your friends?
So when you're brewing a great cup of coffee, you have to keep so many variables in mind. You have to keep in mind grind size, water temperature, the strength of coffee that you want.
Coffee Notes does all of these adjustments for you.
I'm beta testing a really new app by inventor Greg Mayworm that helps make this process a lot easier at home.
An app that enhances your coffee experience. At the core of the app are patent-pending methods for estimating coffee strength and grind size. First, select the type of brewer you want to use. Then adjust the grind size setting from fine to coarse. Now select the strength preference from the slider. I always recommend weighing your coffee and water amounts in grams. But what if you don't have a scale handy and you need to measure your proportions by volume? How would those grams convert to tablespoons or scoops? How about coffee volume? What would that be in ounces, cups, or milliliters? Using Coffee Notes, first pick the method easiest for you, by coffee or by water. For example, if you enter the coffee amount, the app will calculate the proper amount of water needed. Or, if you know how many cups of coffee you would like to make, the app will determine the proper amount of coffee to use. Coffee grind size distribution is critical to the brewing process and will have an effect on taste. Wouldn't it be nice to have an easy and affordable way to calibrate your grinder?
So what this app will be able to let you do at home is calibrate between, say, this machine right here, which is a Mahlkönig, and this little at-home Capresso, and even your home hand grinder. You can get the exact same grind size by just looking at the app, and you can brew the exact same cup of coffee both in cafe and at home.
Coffee Notes incorporates an add-on feature that performs grind analysis from a picture taken on your smartphone. First, spread a sample of the grinds onto a 4x6 planed index card. Make sure to get an even distribution without a lot of clumps. Take a picture or two and store one that has good contrast. Using our patent-pending technology, let the app do its thing and provide you with a grind distribution graph. Now take that calculated average grind size our app has just calculated for you and adjust the grind size slider to that value. Now Coffee Notes is calibrated to your grinder. It's just that easy.
So how we used to calibrate, come back and check me out in another half an hour, and then maybe I'll have all the particles separated. The Coffee Note app should make this pretty obsolete, and we're able to calibrate between our different stores on just one little app.
Now that you have brewed that perfect cup of Ethiopian Yirgacheffe, you must share it with the world, or at least with your friends. Coffee Notes is designed to easily store and share your favorite recipes. Our simple rating system is fun and interactive. Once you share a recipe with a friend, a notification will be displayed on your friend's phone that asks if you want to use that recipe. Our goal for Coffee Notes is to be a central depository for rating coffee and coffee experiences. Local trends and statistics will be available throughout the world. What coffee region is getting high marks? And what is the preferred coffee strength, say, in Italy? This is just a sampling of what Coffee Notes can be for you. Brewing coffee is a craft that requires thoughtful precision. All the energy that goes into bringing that perfect bean to your grinder can be wasted if you don't complete the brewing process with that same care. We know you will find Coffee Notes a fun and intuitive way to explore coffee and enhance your coffee experience. Making Coffee Notes a complete package will require a lot of programming and support from the coffee community. First, we need to complete the Android app, which is almost done after a year of work, and then of course start on the iOS version. The amount of funds raised will determine how much and how quickly these tasks can be completed. I am excited about the possibilities and hope you see the value in supporting this project. Please check out what we are giving away for the different pledge amounts. And thank you.